Hey there everybody, it's Max here again with you, Max, and today we got a quick video for you showcasing and showing how to use feature tracking on the EinStar Rockit's laser mode. We've had a lot of interest in this subject, so we just wanted to make a quick video about it. Let's go ahead and get right into it.
The EinStar Rockit has powerful laser scanning, but the need for markers makes its application tedious and time consuming, especially with the larger subjects. That's why Shining 3D's newest generation of hybrid scanners is complete with feature tracking laser mode, allowing scanners to leverage their infrared's feature tracking while using the laser scanning for greater detail. Now you can skip markers entirely for many subjects that you'd want to scan with the laser mode. But this won't work for all subjects. You still need rich geometric features in order to maintain tracking. So large smooth objects like car body panels or straight pipes won't work very well with this method. But our trusty car cylinder block should serve as a great subject for this feature. Now let's go ahead and connect the scanner. Also ensure that your batteries are fully charged, as this feature draws a lot of power and won't even operate under 25% battery. I'm going to go ahead and use the integrated hotspot to connect, but you can also use the included USB-C cable to do so. Now let's start a new laser mode project, and all we have to do is select feature alignment under the alignment settings. While we do our scan, let's talk a little about using feature tracking efficiently. Feature tracking is a little harder to use than markers. You'll lose tracking more often, and the scanner can mistake one area for another. On top of that, your settings are even more important in this mode. First, we're going to want to choose a surface material. Reflective for me also works well on black objects. Adjust the exposure so that your laser lines are clear and visible in the preview window and in person. For the laser line mode, the 7-line mode is only really advisable for very small objects, around 6 inches or less. The scanning speed is slow in this mode and requires steady scanning of very reliable small-scale geometry. But if you want to use it on an object this size, then pick a small area with plenty of detail. The more general-purpose cross lines mode should be more suitable for our subject. For the resolution, you should know that if you set it high enough, you will automatically put the scanner in the parallel lines mode. Higher resolution in general will slow down the scanner speed, so you must compensate and move slower with it as well. Lastly, enable outdoor mode if you're scanning under direct sunlight. Now for scanning technique, remember that the scanner needs to constantly see data that it recognizes, which can be tricky when going around corners or areas with sharp angles. Know that both cameras of the scanner must see the area simultaneously for it to be registered by the scanner. So it's a good idea to try to keep your scanner oriented with the edge you're trying to get around. If scanning symmetrical objects or ones with repeating geometric patterns, take care that your scanner doesn't misplace its alignment, or you could see overlapping ghost data. If you see this start to occur, just quickly stop the scan, clean up, and rescan the area. If this happens often, then consider adding some more geometry in the form of other objects or some putty to stick to a surface. Now let's look at the mesh results of our quick scan.
Alright guys, that's about it for this one. I hope you enjoyed and are excited to use feature tracking on your own laser scanner. And if you're interested in your own EinStar Rockit, make sure you head to umax.com for amazing deals, free training, and accessories. Thanks for watching.